My name is Bill Andrews. I run a company called Sierra Sciences in Reno, Nevada in the United States that is totally focused on trying to find ways to cure aging and declining health by lengthening telomeres using the enzyme telomerase. We licensed a gene therapy that delivers telomerase to human cells in a petri dish to a company called Labella Gene Therapeutics. And then they started working with bioaccess, at the time they were called LATAM, to help get clinical studies underway in Colombia. Labella was struggling trying to find out ways to connect with different countries, including the United States, to set up clinical studies. And that all turned around when Labella licensed or created an agreement with LATAM that's now called bioaccess. And ever since then, I have been very impressed with the way that LATAM, or bioaccess, has been able to open doors to connect Labella with hospitals and things like that in Colombia. I've been very impressed. I've taken several trips to Colombia to meet the doctors and look at the hospitals. I've been very impressed, excited about what LATAM, bioaccess, has been able to accomplish for Labella. I truly believe they could not have done that on their own. And so I'm very glad that Labella has aligned themselves with bioaccess to get these things going. I've also been extremely impressed with the clinical protocols that have been written by bioaccess that exceed anything that I think we or Labella could have pulled off on our own. I've been very impressed with Monica Mora, Julio Martinez, and Chris Venner. Monica is one of the most organized people I've ever met or worked with. I'm just amazed at how when we have meetings, big meetings with lots of participants, and where we go to Colombia and meet with hospitals and have conferences with doctors and stuff, these meetings get so intense that there's no way me or anybody else could be taking minutes for the meetings and stuff like that. And then after the meetings, I find that, boy, I can't remember half of what we decided to do. And then lo and behold, Monica sends me the minutes, and I just am so impressed with that she was on top of everything. She understood everything so well, and she was able to write it all down in a way that made it make sense to all of us. And it was something that we could work with that really helped move things along. I've also been very, very impressed with how Julio has connected us with some of the best hospitals and best doctors that I've ever seen anywhere in the world, let alone Colombia. I mean, these have been super impressed. And I've been very impressed with Chris Venner's knowledge and skills in just the field of medicine, and be able to write up a lot of technical stuff that is way beyond my area of expertise. And so I have been very glad from the very minute that we've been working with bioaccess that we have somebody who actually knows what they're doing and can pull all this stuff together and make it into a protocol that we can be proud of. Looking forward to continuing this relationship with bioaccess, and I highly recommend it to anybody that is interested in doing any kind of business in Colombia.